Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Cloud Learner Pro channel. In this channel today we are going to learn about what is HTTP, what is HTTPS. We'll also take an example to understand HTTPS protocol functionality, and later on we'll try to differentiate between HTTP and HTTPS protocols. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So in HTTPS, we are going to use SSL or TLS certificates to make the websites secured. So firstly, if I go with HTTP protocol, we'll try to understand how HTTP will work and what are the functionality of HTTP. Basically, if you're trying to access any website from a browser, it will try to connect to the server on which the website is hosted over a HTTP request over the internet. When you're doing this, HTTP is not a secure website, so in which you have chances of data getting thefted or any kind of attackers trying to hack your data, which is because HTTP is in a readable text format where you don't have much security. When it comes to HTTPS, HTTPS is same as HTTP, but you will get a security using SSL, Secure Socket Layer. Let me give you an example how we can achieve or how we can get security by using SSL HTTPS. Let's take this as a browser, and from this browser, you're going to access a website called https://example.com, which is hosted at this web server. Firstly, browser will try to connect to the web server, which is a secured website with SSL. This browser will try to request for this web server identity. Then the web server in the acknowledgement gives a copy of SSL certificate and with its public key. The browser will check whether the certificate which web server is provided, it can trust or not. If it can able to trust the certificate, the browser in turn responds to enable the encryption session, in which the web server will acknowledge the response of the browser and enables an encryption session to start the data transfer between the browser and the web server. So this is a simple example which I can give for HTTPS. So in this flow, we can understand whether we are getting a security here or not. Whereas if the encryption is in place, there are less chances of attackers or hackers thefting your data. Let me call out the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP and HTTPS, these two are protocols which are used for website accessing. In HTTP, we have no security and it works at 80 port. It works at application layer in the OSI model. It doesn't support any TLS certificates and domain verification, and it doesn't support any encryption. Whereas if we call HTTPS, HTTPS supports us with enhanced security, in which we are going to get encryption as well. And it is going to help us with supporting TLS and domain validation, whereas we are going to get enhanced security here. And it works at the port 443, and it works at layer 4, which is transport layer. In HTTPS, we are getting the encryption, we are getting TLS supports, and we are getting domain verification, and we are getting enhanced security. Using all these features, we are going to secure the PII information and the bank information, credit card, debit card information with the help of HTTPS. Let us take a simple example to understand how a website of HTTPS will look and how a website of HTTPS will look. So if you see google.com, and if you double click on this web browser search engine, you will be able to see HTTPS. So which means google.com is a secured website. Whereas if you click on this lock symbol, it says connection is secure and there is a valid certificate. If you take a HTTP website, you will not be able to see that lock symbol, and it says clearly this website is not a secured website and there is no valid certificate as well. So if you double click on this website, you will not be able to see HTTPS. And same EPFO portal, we have HTTPS where it says HTTPS protocol is being used and we have a valid certificate and the connection is secure. So like this, you will be able to differentiate HTTPS and HTTP websites, whether it is a secure website, whether it is having a valid certificate or not. Hope you get a clarity how HTTP and HTTPS website looks and how they are secured as well. And finally, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to Cloud Learner Pro channel.